Hello everyone, my name is Anuskar Sahu. I am a senior software engineer. Uh, Today in my video, I will show you how to install the Magento 2 PWA-Studio in your local machine. The prerequisite of installing the Magento 2 PWA-Studio, you should have one working Magento 2 website in your local machine. Here is the website which I am using right now, Mage new website. This is my Magento website. This is fully functional right now. As you can see, I also installed the Vania sample data in my Magento website, which I have installed on my local machine. Here, let me show you the admin panel of the website. Here is the admin panel which I am using right now, and here is the sample data. Now let's come to the point. Here the agenda is to install the PWA application with the Vania. So for that, this is the official documentation which we will use here. And the prerequisite of before installing the PWA Vania, you should have basic knowledge of React.js and GraphQL, so that you can customize any area of the application. The PWA application is highly in demand as of now because of its smooth functionings, and it acts like a mobile application. So that's why people used to prefer installing the PWA application rather than the normal website. This is the command. Uh, Let me show you where I'm installing my PWA application. This is the project folder. Here I will open my terminal. We are in the project folder and we will paste this command. Let me check what is the error. Let me check the node version first of all. See here, the node version is 16.2, but which is not compatible at all. So let me switch the version to the 20 and 20 plus, nvm use 20. So now the node version which we are using right now is 20 plus. Yes. Now we will run this command, creating a PWA-Studio project. So let me give a name to my project, PWA new app. Short name. We will keep this as it is. We will keep this as it is. Yeah, we will keep this also as it is. Now here two options are there, Magento 2.3, whether you want to go with that or other. I will choose other because I have installed my Magento website over here, which I have already shown you guys. So I am just copying my URL, and here I will paste my URL. I will remove this index.php. We'll go with that. Here two options are there while installing the PWA application. I will choose yarn. Yes, I will choose yes. Here the installation is in progress. Let us check. We should not get any kind of error, but if we will be getting, we are gonna resolve that issues. I'm showing you the the fresh installation of PWA application, so which is from the scratch. So what I updated you guys. First you have you must have one working Magento environment on your local or either on your server as well, that will also work. And now let it get finished. We will be waiting for a while. Everything is going smooth as of now. Let it get installed. Now let's jump to our official documentation provided by Adobe Commerce. After finishing this command, we will be jumping to our directory which we have named as a PWA new app. So let it get finished. You can see here some steps is also mentioned over here. So we will be going to PWA new app. Now here we will run this command. This is necessary to generate a unique and secure custom domain for your new project. So we will be running this. Since this is throwing the error, so we will be okay, so here there is a note I just forgot to share with you. Like if and there is any error, we can use this command. Before that, let me, yeah, this is good. Again, we will be running this command. Good. So this command is not throwing any error. Everything is goes well right now. So it's done in 5.4 seconds. Okay. So now what? It is showing you have to run yarn watch. We will be running yarn watch. By running the yarn watch, all the modules, that is node modules or its component, will be compiled, and this yarn watch command will give you the local URL over which your application will be running. This is the URL generated from the yarn watch. So we will be just opening this. See, this is the Vania. This is the application. We have successfully installed the application right now. Here you will see no reloading will you will see here everything will be working as a mobile applications. See see everything is working fine right now. So that is all. Thank you so much.